children. Sai Ram. Today also we are going to continue chapter 10 revision part 2. Now let us see first question. Write the fraction shown by the shaded part. Okay, I repeat, write the fraction shown by the shaded part. You have to see the shaded part and then you have to write the fraction. Now see first question. Okay, here you can see how many total parts are shown. 1, 2, 3, right? And how many parts are shaded? 2 parts. So you have to write the fraction for the shaded part. So what will be the answer? Yes, shaded part is 2 and total part is 3. So your fraction is 2 upon 3. This is your answer. Okay. Now next question. Now here count how many total parts are there, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And how many parts are shaded? Count. 1, 2, 3. So we have to write the fraction for shaded part. Okay. So what will be the answer? 3 upon 5. Yes. Shaded part will come up and total parts will come down. So your answer is 3 upon 5. Now, next question. Here, how many total parts are there, children? You can count. 1, 2. Okay. Only 2 parts are there. And how many parts are shaded? Yes. You can see blue color shaded. Only one part is shaded. Right? So, what will be the answer? Yes, shaded part is 1, total part is 2. So 1 upon 2 is the answer. Now fourth question. Here also you can see how many total parts are there, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many total parts are there? 6. And how many parts are shaded? You can see green color shaded. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So we have to write fraction for shaded part. So what will be the answer? How many parts are shaded? 4. And how many total parts are there? 6. So your answer is 4 upon 6. What is your answer, children? 4 upon 6. And how you get the answer? You understood? You have to write first shaded part and then down you have to write the total number of parts. Okay? Now next question. Here also you can see how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many total parts are there? 4. And how many parts are shaded? Only 2 parts. Right. So we have to write fraction for shaded part. What will be the answer? Yes. Answer is 2 upon 4. What is the answer, children? 2 parts are shaded. So 2 will come up and total number of parts are 4. So your answer is 2 upon 4. Okay. Now next question. Read the following fractions and write them in words. I repeat. Read the following fractions and write them in words. You have to read the fractions, okay, and then you have to write them in words. So let us start with the first question. Now see the fraction, 2 columns are there. One column is fraction and other is reading and writing. So what is the question here? 2, 3 upon 4. Okay, fraction is 2, 3 upon 4. Now how you are going to read it? Now how you are going to read and write it? Okay, so you have to write in words first. And 3 upon 4 you say, but what you write for 3 upon 4? It is called as 3. It is known as 3 quarters. So what will be your answer? For 2 you will write 2 and 3 upon 4 what you will write? 3 quarter. What is your answer? 2 and 3/4. Okay. Now see next question. Now see the fraction 10, 1 upon 2. What is the fraction given there? 10, 1 upon 2. Now you have how you are going to read and write. Now for 10 you will write the spelling of 10. But 1 upon 2, what you call 1 upon 2? As half. Okay. So what will be your answer? 10 and a half. What is your answer, children? 10 and a half. Okay. Remember, for 1 upon 2 we call what? A half. So answer is 10 and a half. Now next question. Here also you will see the fraction and then you have to read and write. Okay. So see the fraction 1 3 upon 4. What is the fraction here? 1 3 upon 4. I repeat, what is the fraction here? 1 3 upon 4. As I told you before, 3 upon 4 is known as what? 3/4. So you will not write 3 upon 4. How you are going to write it? 1 you will write the spelling of 1. And 3 upon 4, what you will write? 3/4. Okay. So what is your answer? How you are going to write it? 1 and 3/4. Okay. What is your answer, children? 1 and 3/4. What is your answer? 1 and 3/4. You should remember the spelling also. Okay. Now next question. See the fraction 7 1 upon 4. What is the fraction given here? 7 1 upon 4. I repeat, what is the fraction given here? 7 1 upon 4. Now how you are going to read and write this fraction? For 7 you will write the spelling of 7. But 1 upon 4, how you are going to write? What it is known as? Yes, it is known as a quarter or 1/4. Okay. Now answer is 7 and 1/4. What is the answer here? 7 and 1/4. For 1 upon 4 you will write 1/4. For 7 you will write spelling of 7. So what answer you will get? 7 and 1/4. Now next. Again, next question, see. Fraction is 5, 1 upon 4. What is the fraction? 5, 1 upon 4. Listen properly. 5, 1 upon 4. Now, how you are going to read and write this fraction? For 5, you will write the spelling of 5. For 1 upon 4, what you are going to write? Yes, 1 upon 4 is what? 1/4. So, how you are going to write the answer, children? Yes, answer is 5 and 1/4. What is the answer, children? 5 and 1/4. Okay, for 1 upon 4, you will write 1/4. Okay. Now, next question. Now, see the next question. Color the portions in the following figures to compare the given fractions in each pair. I repeat, color the portions in the following figures to compare the given fractions in each pair. Okay. Now you have to color the portion in the following figure and then you have to compare the fraction. It means you have to put the sign of less or greater after coloring the figure and after comparing the figure. Okay. Now let us start with the first question. Now see the first question. Here you can see 2 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. These two fractions are given. Right? And for both the fractions, figures are drawn. You can see a square is divided into 4 parts. Okay. Now what you have to do, first you have to color the portion which is given. Now first fraction, say 2 upon 4. How much part is colored here? Out of 4, 2 parts are colored. Right? So what you will do, first you will color 2 parts. Yes, 1, 2. Now, next figure, how many parts are shaded, colored? 1 part out of 4, right? So, you will color 1 part out of 4. Now, to compare, which is greater, 2 upon 4 or 1 upon 4. Now, you can see the denominators are same. So, out of 2 and 1, which is bigger? 2 is bigger. So, which sign you will put? 2 is greater than 2 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 4. So this is your answer, children. Okay. Now second question. Here also you can see a figure is drawn and fractions are given. 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. Here also what you have to do, you have to color the fraction according to the you have to color the figure according to the fraction given. Now out of 5 parts, how many parts you have to color? 3 parts. So first you will color 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now next figure also you will color how many parts? Out of 5, only 1 part. Now you have to compare. Now here again denominators are same. 3 upon 5, 1 upon 5. Which fraction is greater? Yes, so 3 upon 5 is greater than 1 upon 5. Okay. So with this we have completed revision of fraction chapter. Thank you.